This is Nomad Time Machine, and this is my Ford F-150 pickup truck. And today we're going to be talking about how to put solar panels on the back of your truck. So first off, I'm not going to go over the brands. I'm going to go over, how I set this up so you guys can do this affordably, because the ones I've seen go for thousands of dollars. Now these are 50-watt solar panels. I've got 300 watts total of solar panels on the back of my truck. What you need is a hard top tonneau cover. This is a trifold, and I still have access to it because I made it where it still is able to bend. Also, the first thing I want to mention is the cable management. You have to properly manage your cables so that way they're not flapping in the wind, hitting your panels, causing damage, so on and so forth, putting extra wear and tear. That's something to be obviously very aware about. So it's very simple. I got Z brackets that are made for solar panels, came with the hardware. I also use to screw these into the hard top. You can either use bolts or screws. Screws are easier for me. There are other ways to do it, but what I used was metal roofing screws, and they work just fine. They do the job. So what happens when I want to disconnect my trailer? So this cable runs down here up to here with a quick disconnect. Now since this is just flapping in the breeze and everything, I recommend doing this while stationary, just to utilize extra power, because I also got solar panels on the roof and that's my main power source. I can utilize this for over paneling. And anyway, you guys are probably wondering, how much does this cost? It costs a few $100, really not including the tonneau cover or whatever brand you pick. This actually isn't a tonneau, this is another brand. It's a solid fold. It's going to be a few $100 if you already have the cover. You can find these 50-watt solar panels fairly affordable. There are a little bit smaller 50 watts that work a little bit better, but this was in my price range and it fit my truck just right. If you guys need more ideas, subscribe. I'll help you guys along your way. You'll be updated with the videos and everything, and hit that bell also so that way you can see what's going on recently. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day, and you guys stay safe.